everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share my simple morning skincare routine using products I personally use every day. First, I start with the Lilium Cleansing Milk. It deeply cleanses my skin without making it dry. It removes oil, dirt and leaves my skin fresh. Then I use the Minimalist Salicylic Acid Cleanser. Its help unlock pore, removes excess oil and prevent acne. Perfect for oily skin. Next, I use this Lotus Botanical Green Tea Face Mist. It refreshes, hydrates and smooths the skin. It contains niacinamides, aloe vera and cucumber. After mist, I apply my favorite serums. First, the Minimalist 10% niacinamide serum to control oil and reduce spots. Moisturizing is important even for oily skin. I use Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, which is lightweight, non-greasy and super soothing. Finally, sunscreen. I never skip this step. I use Lotus Botanical Vitamin C Matte Fluent Sunscreen with SPF 15. I finish with Himalaya Lip Balm for soft lips. Let me know in the comments which one you have tried. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more skincare tips.